Each year, about 1 million people in the world die by suicide. That means one about every 40 seconds. Too often, suicide is not considered as a medical issue, but it should be. Most people who committed suicides are diagnosed with brain disorders like depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia. While mortality for heart disease has decreased by 63% since 1995, suicide mortality rate has remained the same for decades. It is time to prevent suicide by understanding brain disorders. The brain is an organ of serial complexity. Inside the brain, billions of neurons form highly integrated networks. They function through electrical signals. These signals control nearly everything we do, from thinking to moving muscles, from sensing to responding. Even now, as you listen to my talk, your neurons are doing what they are supposed to do, keeping you in your seat instead of walking out. In recent years, neuroscientists identified some candidate genes that may cause brain disorders. CACNA1C is a gene for a type of voltage-dependent calcium channels. Genetic disruption in this gene was found in people with brain disorders. In the brain, this particular calcium channel admits calcium ions into the neuron in order to send electrical signals. Here are the questions that I really care about. How do problems in this calcium channel lead to brain disorders? How many working calcium channels does the brain need for normal function? In other words, is there a specific number of functional calcium channels required for brain to perform normally? During my PhD study, I used genetically modified mouse brain as a model of brain disorders. I found a protein called densin that acts to maintain the number of functional calcium channels in the brain. When densin is removed, the number of functional calcium channels reduced by 50%. The mice are anxious, and they have schizophrenia-like behaviors. Does that mean in order to treat brain disorders, we really need to restore these calcium channels in the brain? This is the puzzle I want to continue to figure out. In the end, I wish one day my brain research will make a life-saving change for people suffered from brain disorders. Thank you.